Alright, this evening I am making sausage balls. I've got a couple of bisquick in here. I've got a ½ pound of sausage. Okay. I've got a ½ pound of sharp cheddar cheese. I hope everybody's doing all right. So I am going to mix this all up. I'm making these for my hairdresser. She gave me some material to make a quilt, and well, she's changing this. I hope y'all can see that. Yeah, you can. I'm going to put this other half of pound of sausage in here. I hope everybody has this is election night. Been wanting to. I was going to get this done this evening and I fell asleep. I had to go this morning to the doctor and get a shot for my bones. Then I went and voted. I come home and sat down and went to sleep. I'm going to turn this off, and when I get through, it's going to take a little while. Alright, I have got these out of the microwave. Air fryer. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video. And thank you so much for watching.